All right, take a look at the SETMSPACE 2.5-inch hard drive enclosure. We got a USB-A to USB-C cable, and we have the enclosure. We got a USB-C port there, and if we push forward, we can see it kind of pops open. That's interesting. It actually comes with some adhesive padding, so if we want to take up some of the space in here, we can do that. What we can see it is a standard SATA port there in the back, so let's go ahead and test this guy out. Okay, so it looks like it did pick it up automatically, so that's good. So let's use Crystal Disk Mark. Okay, so it looks pretty good. So for the sequential 1 MB 8 process 1 thread, we're at 454 for the read and 370 for the write. For the 1 process 1 thread, we got 390 and 372. And then for the random 4K at 32 process 1 thread, we got 79 and 90. It actually wrote faster than it read. And then worst case scenario, at the 1 process 1 thread, we got 14 and 39. So yeah, those are all perfectly acceptable numbers. And on top of that, the thing just works. So for what I'm going to be using it for, which is mostly just taking drives out, putting it in there, and then seeing what's on them, this is going to work perfectly fine. So yeah, overall, that is a very nice little enclosure.